Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around. It's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over Spectacular Spider-Man. It was a kind of animated series in, I forget what, like 2003. But really cool version of Spider-Man, and that's what we're going to go through. We're going to go through how to draw his head. Real simple, but in that style. So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with the top of the head by doing a simple curve. That. Right on. Gonna pull down just a bit over here on this side. See? Right here. Gonna go back, curve in. Right there for kind of the inner part of the eye there. Pull down. Right here to the chin area. And now I'm going to go over to the back of the head and I'm going to pull down. I'm going to go over here to this area, pull down, go over here. I'm going to connect this now here. Cool, cool. I'm going to go right here and draw the neck. So go down here, down, so. Go over here to the back and draw maybe from this point. Draw down there as well. If you're a Spider-Man fan, hit me up. Hit the like button. It's gonna let me know what else to put on the, actual, kind of channel. But definitely when you hit that like button, it lets me know that you like Spider-Man, and I'll put more of them. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna start maybe from this point or so. I'm gonna mark out the inner eyes, inner part of the eye. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve a line here. Here. Okay. I'm gonna go around this area and I'm gonna pull a line up over here. So I'll go down here. Curve along that. Now I'm gonna go to this side for this side eye. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start a curved line upward here. So I'm going to start from actually the top and I'm going to slide my way down, okay? Over here. Follow it down. Go over here to the top. Curve up just a little bit like the wing right there. Right there, wing. Curve back downward. So I'm going to pull over here and I'm going to pull down on this left side. So we'll do it together. Curve there. And I'm gonna curve it underneath to kind of meet back at this point. There's a bug on my leg. Sorry, I have to scratch myself. Maybe it's a spider. Yeah, cool. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw stuff like this, kind of step by step, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, absolutely. And don't forget to check out all the goodies in the description. There's a bunch of stuff in the description you should check out, okay? Including basics of drawing, right? If you want to take the shakiness out of your hand, go check out sketchingeasy.com and go to the beginner lesson. It's going to have a beginner lesson on there for you. So go take a look at that. It's totally free. I'm going to go over here. Circle. The middle of the design. Before we do that, by the way, we're going to go into the eye over here. I forgot. So go over here to this side, and I'm going to go near it, pretty close to it. I'm going to draw the inner eye. Curve up. Right there, kind of tracing, kind of hugging that eye. I'm going to go over here on this side. Curve down. Over here on this side, I'm going to just curve it down here. That inner eye. See how it kind of looks like it's in a bowl there, like it's really sunken in? I like that look. Go over here on this side, and I'm going to curve right there for that side. Okay. I'm gonna pull down here, and then curve up here. Right on. Now from this circle, I'm going to kind of curve, like so. I'm going to draw a curved line for the head, right? The line is wrapping around. We're going to do the webbing. It's going to wrap around here, so we're going to curve down there to that point. Right on. Go over here to the bottom. Down there, okay? From over here, I'm going to pull a line out, also kind of curve around that corner here, over here, curve. Over here on this area, I'm going to pull a line out, and over here, I'm going to pull a line down. Line down, down, down on the neck, okay? For the neck itself, right here, you can just draw a line across, line across. Going back into his face, we are going to go over here. I'm going to draw a curve from there to there for the beginning of that web. Curve from here to here. Over here, up right there. Curve up here. Curve up here. Over here to this area. Curve up here. Curve down. Over here in this area. Curve over here, curve down, and then continue to curve down here, right? It is a kind of web. Over here now, it's got that slight curve in. Don't forget to share the video, by the way, if you do like it. If you're a big Spider-Man fan, absolutely share it with somebody you think might like it. Right over here. And then I forgot, there's a line that goes out over here inside of his head. So we got to make this stand out. So we're going to fill in the dark part of the eye over here. See that? We're going to fill that in. Thanks for watching, by the way. You're awesome. This is the Art Army, right? I don't know what to call everybody. The Art Army something. I don't know what to call it. But I'll figure it out. I want to call everybody something because I think it's fun to do that. People that are really prepped and ready to kind of draw at a moment's notice. Because I'm like that as well. Alright, and there you go. That's Spectacular Spider-Man. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope that was easy enough for you. And like I said, you can always reach me. I'm very easy to reach. Yeah, talk to you later, okay? See you soon, and don't forget to stay art ready, alright? Always be art ready. See ya.